Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 is adding fractions. It says Cypress bought 5/8 pounds of cinnamon dog treats and 1/6 pound of honey dog treats. How many pounds of treats did she buy altogether? Altogether indicates addition, so I'm going to add 5/8 plus 1/6. And now I need to find a common denominator. So I'm going to list some multiples of 8, which is basically count by 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. I usually list about 5. And then I'm going to list multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. And I notice 24 is the first multiple that's the same in both lists. So that will become my common denominator. Now I'm going to rename my fractions. 8 times what number gave me 24? That was 3, so I'm going to multiply by the form of 1, 3 over 3. 3 times 5 then will be 15. So 5/8 is renamed as 15/24. I'm going to do the same thing with 1/6. 6 times what number is 24? That's 4, so I'm going to multiply by the form of 1, 4 over 4. Remember, multiplying by 1 will not change the value, but it will change the look of it. My new numerator, 1 times 4, is 4. Now that I have the same denominator or same name, I can add 15/24 plus 4/24 by adding the numerator. 15 plus 4 is 19, and keeping the same name or same denominator of 24. And now I need to see if I can reduce that. 19 and 24 do not have any factors in common, and so I know Cypress bought 19/24 pounds of dog treats all together.